Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a bacon avatar in Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and create a new character rig, then import a bacon texture as a shirt and pants decal. Resize the texture to match the torso and legs, and align seams so the bacon pattern wraps naturally. Test the avatar in play mode, tweak UV placement, and save your outfit to the avatar editor for easy reuse. Start by selecting a bacon image that reads well at game size, then crop it to Roblox texture dimensions like 512x512 or 1024x1024. Remove background if you prefer strips, and save as PNG to keep transparency. Use a photo editor to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation so the bacon reads clearly on both torso and legs. Export final files and keep originals backed up for quick edits. Hey, quick recommendation. If you spend hours in studio, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders nicely. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a simple upgrade to your setup. Now let's get back to the video. In Roblox Studio, use the Asset Manager to import your bacon PNG files and keep them organized. Create shirt and pants decals, then apply your textures and use the decal properties to change offset and scale until seams align. Switch to play mode and rotate the avatar to inspect how the bacon wraps around shoulders and hips. Make minor adjustments, save changes, and publish the outfit to your avatar inventory when satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.